Have you ever felt powerless when someone hurts you? That burning in your chest, the endless replaying of their words, the urge to react or retreat. Today, we're not just talking about handling pain, we're channeling it. Get ready to discover the most powerful Stoic technique for transforming hurt into unshakable strength. This isn't about repressing emotions, it's about wielding them like a philosopher warrior. Welcome to Thin Cora, where thought meets transformation. Today, we'll journey through the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca. How did these ancient philosophers handle betrayal, cruelty, and emotional wounds? What you'll learn here will fundamentally change your response to those who hurt you. Why do we suffer? When someone hurts us, our instinct is to strike back or seek validation. We let their actions echo in our minds, controlling our emotions, our sleep, even our sense of self. Marcus Aurelius nailed it. How much trouble he avoids, who does not look to see what his neighbor says or does. The real problem isn't what they did, it's how we let it consume us. We become prisoners to their actions, reliving the pain long after the moment has passed. The dichotomy of control. Here's where Stoicism flips the script. Epictetus, who endured slavery and torture, taught that no one can truly hurt you without your consent. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Draw a mental line. On one side, everything you cannot control. Others' actions, opinions, the past. On the other, what you can control. Your thoughts, your values, your response. When hurt strikes, ask, which side does this belong to? Their betrayal? Not your control. Your response? 100% yours. The power of indifference. Marcus Aurelius practiced what he called preferred indifference. Not emotionless, but emotionally independent. Choose not to be harmed, and you won't feel harmed. Don't feel harmed, and you haven't been. Their words become weather. You notice, but they don't define your day. You become the mountain. Storms may rage, but your core remains unmoved. Dissecting the hurt. Seneca reminds us, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. When hurt, ask, what's actually been damaged? Is it your body, your future, or just your ego and expectations? Most of the time, the answer is the latter. Their actions reveal their character, not yours. This rational analysis dissolves the emotional charge, letting you see the situation with clarity instead of pain. The obstacle is the way. Marcus Aurelius offers a game changer. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Every person who hurts you is a secret teacher, offering you the chance to practice virtue, test your philosophy, and strengthen your character. No resistance, no growth. No challenge, no transformation. Thank them, silently, for the lesson. A practical Stoic framework. Here's your 5-step Stoic toolkit. Number 1, pause and breathe. Don't react on autopilot. Number 2, apply the dichotomy of control. What's yours to influence? Number 3, choose virtue over emotion. Will your response serve justice, wisdom, courage, or temperance? Number 4, act or don't, based on reason, not revenge or validation. Number 5, release attachment to outcome. Your job is to act virtuously. What happens next is beyond your control. The ultimate Stoic response. The most powerful response isn't anger or retaliation. It's indifference and excellence. Live so well that their negativity becomes irrelevant. Marcus Aurelius. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Respond to hatred with wisdom, cruelty with kindness, betrayal with integrity. That's not just victory, that's transcendence. Turning pain into power. Stoics practiced emotional alchemy, turning suffering into wisdom. Use their betrayal as fuel for your growth. Let criticism reveal your blind spots. Let rejection redirect you toward better paths. Pain becomes wisdom. Hurt becomes strength. Betrayal becomes clarity about who deserves your trust. Epictetus transformed unimaginable suffering into timeless wisdom. So can you. The deeper truth. When someone hurts you, they're revealing their own turmoil, not defining your worth. Hurt people hurt people. Their actions mirror their internal chaos, not your value. Marcus Aurelius. Whenever you want to cheer yourself, consider the good qualities of your companions. Focus your energy on those who lift you up. Your attention is your most precious currency. Spend it wisely. The most powerful way to handle people who hurt you: become so centered in your own virtue that their actions lose all power over you. You transform from victim to philosopher, from reactor to creator. Now, I challenge you. Think of someone who's hurt you recently. How can you apply these Stoic principles right now? Share your story in the comments. Let's turn pain into power together. And if you want to go even deeper, check out my next video on mastering emotional resilience with Stoicism. Your transformation starts with a single thought. Make it count.